Hi, I'm Mike Spear, Communications Director with Genome Alberta, and this is the second in our gene video series on genomics and how to use it. What you're looking at is the home page for genomics at facebook.genomealberta.ca, and in this video we're going to show you what happens when you click on stories and what you see and what you won't see. So we'll start with this featured story on the left. This is our home page. This is the featured story. You get a brief introduction to the story, and then by clicking on More, you'll be taken to the actual story content. In this case, it will be the full story content. It won't be a link taking you to anything else. It'll be to the actual story itself. So, as you would with any other story in a newspaper or a science magazine, there's a headline, there's a picture, there's actually a couple of pictures, so if you click on a picture, it will get blown up so you can see it better. There's the content of the story. We have various links within the story. We can change headlines and whatnot in the story, and ultimately there's the whole story about Genome Prairie's new board announcements. So let's go back to the home screen and look at the other featured story. And in this case, what we're going to look at is a story that's been mashed up. So again, you have a brief introduction to the story. It's a good article from Daniel MacArthur, who does a blog on genetics and the law. And we have pointed out in this brief introduction that we've added a video. So you click on More. More will take you to the bigger section of content on the story. Because this is not our story, it's not an original story, it came from somewhere else, you're not going to get the full story. You'd have to click on this link to get to the whole story. But you'll get enough of the story to give you an idea of what it's about. In this case, we've actually said it's a good article, so we're encouraging you to move on and look at the rest of the story. And we've added a video, because the nice thing about genomics is you can mash up stories. So in this case, what we've found is a video of the researcher who worked on the study that Daniel MacArthur is referring to in his story. And this video will actually play within the genomics story. I'll just let you take a quick listen. So what we've done is mashed up a story. We've included an image. We've included some content that you can read. We've included a video to give you a different perspective on the story. And if after you've looked at that you're still hoping for more, which we certainly hope you are, you click on Read the Full Story, and lo and behold, it takes you to Daniel MacArthur's full story. And it opens in a separate tab, so you can always go back to the story. So again, let's go back to our front page. So that's how the top two featured stories works. But as you scroll down, there are more stories beyond these featured stories. And the same basic process applies. If you see a story that catches your attention, in this case it's a different story on the life expectancy in people and the longevity gene. So you click on More. It will take you to the story. Again, we've added a video. This is a story from Discover magazine, and we've added a video to give it a little added context. And in this case, the video is from a TV news story. And it's an odd little video, and we've alluded to that in the body of the story to show you just what happens sometimes when mainstream media gets hold of a science story. So we'll go back to the home page. And as you can see, there are a variety of stories on this page that we add as we see fit or that users decide to post. And that is a very quick tour of the home page and what you get when you read a story.